Hello everyone, I am Pravalika from CSCT and today I am going to explain about the string functions which are present in the DBMS. Before going to know what are the string functions, what are the available functions we have, first of all we will have the look about what is the DBMS. So DBMS, the full form of the abbreviation of the DBMS is Database Management System. So, what is the database? A database is a collection of data of a logically related information. The information or the data what we have are logically related or logically connected. These are called the databases. So, these databases are dealt by SQL. What is mean by SQL? SQL means structured query language. Structured. Why SQL is called as a structured? Because it deals with the tables. Tables are nothing but the relations. So this is called as the structured. And what is query? Query means how to ask questions to a database. Here we will have the point here as we will ask any questions on databases. Yes, we will ask the questions on the tables like in SQL, we create the table, we alter the table, we rename the table, we add the table, and we drop the table. These are what the options we have. These are also called DDL statements because these are the which where we create the table. We will create the structure of the table. So if you want to insert, update, modify, these all are things are the DML statements. So DDL means data definition language, DML means data modification. So this is the difference. So this is the how we ask the questions. Mean if we want any answer like how many members are present in the table programmer, we will ask select star from programmer. So select all the members who are present and their occupation and the languages what they know is everything we get as an output. So this is the way we ask the questions to a database. If you want to insert anything, if you want to update anything, if you want to rename, everything is done in the name of the queries. And table, as we have the look about what is a table, we know table is nothing but a combination of rows and columns. And in database we follow down to up approach, but in classes we follow top to down approach. Classes in Java we have that we will follow everything in a top down approach. So objects are nothing but real world entities. And example, a book is an object and it has attributes title, ISBN, author, price, and attributes, and has values for title DBMS, for ISBN 12345, for author RRK, and for price 850. So the database changes the attributes into columns and the values into rows. The attributes here can be known as the headings. So this is the main what are the headings we have is converted into columns, and the values what we want to give are inserted as rows, as we have given only for the DBMS. If for the other languages, for the other subjects, if we want to insert, we those will be converted into rows. So we will have only columns one, but the rows as many as. So the rows are nothing but the values and the columns are nothing but the attributes. So this is about DBMS, and I have said I will discuss about the string functions which are present in the DBMS. So string functions ASCII. So string function ASCII, what the ASCII function will really do, it will return the ASCII value of a character. How many characters? A single character. If we give single character as an input to the ASCII function, then it will return the value of that particular input or particular character what we have given. So example, select ASCII of A from dual. Dual is also nothing but a dummy table. So if you doesn't have any table, we will use this as dummy table because DBMS is all of tables. So if we ask anything from the table only, we will get the answer. So we are using this dummy table as a one to get the answer of a single character. So what we have asked, select ASCII of A. The ASCII value of A will be written as the output. And char, what is char? It is quite different or vice versa of ASCII. In ASCII, we will get the value of a single character, but in this, we will get the alphabet or character of the given number. We will use certain number as input, and that the number and that the character which is holding that number will be written, but it has the limit. But this number ranges from only 0 to 225. So as we have the example, select char of 47 from Jewel. It will return the character of the particular value. Concat, it will concat two strings. We know concat we have used in many languages. So in DBMS, for concat means to get or to combine two different strings as a one string. So we have used that example. Select concat of VVIT college from Jewel, and it will return the output VVIT college. Insert, it inserts given string into another string at the required position. So in this insert, if you want to add another string or another character to particular string, it will be inserted in the particular position. Select insert of VVT 2, 3, I. So 2, the first value is from, 2 value is the from, and 3 value is the 2. So in this between 2, we are going to insert the value I. So the first V is 0, second V is 1. So third 2. So at that position, this I value is inserted, and we will get the output VVIT. And the another function left, it returns specified number of letters from string from left position. So if you want to get the value or the letters what are there in the left position of the string can be get as the output. Select left of Oscar, 2 from Jewel. From the left position, we will get the two characters OS, and right, it returns similarly as we get the left values when we use left operation, and we will get the right values when we use the right operations. So same example, but we get the answer as R and A. Length, it returns length of the specified string. So if we given has any string to this particular function, we will get the value or the length of that particular string. So select length of ABC from Jewel. We have 3 characters, so it gives the output as 3. Locate, to get the index or position of certain character in the string. Select locate of A, Siva from Jewel. So it returns position if character is present, else if it does not present. If it does not present, it does not get any output, but it returns the position if it is present. So A is presented at the 4th position, we got the output as 4. Locate N, it is same as locate, but we specify way to start the searching of given character in the string. And lower, it converts given string into lower. So lower means the uppercase values are converted into lower. And repeat, to print the certain text from the n number of items for n number of times, times. So select repeat of ABC, 3 from Jewel. So we will get the output of ABC as 3 times. And replace, it replaces certain part of string with another string. Replace VVIT, college, VVIT college. In the college, we are replacing the school. We get VVIT school. Next place, space. It prints the how many blanks or spaces we want. substring, it prints the substring of given string. It prints the substring from second position, we get wit. Select substring from PVIT 34. We are using the starting and ending position, so we get the, it prints the substrings from third position to fourth characters, that is IT. This is about the functions what we have present in the DBMS. Thank you.